Tucson, like many parts of the Southwest, has a complex history of water use. Tucson's early irrigation practices were once intertwined with nature. Sophisticated canal networks and acequias have been used to transport water in the area for centuries. Yet today, our modern cities rely on pipes that shuttle our water to areas of human use. And in the process, it's easy to neglect who water is being taken from. In places like the Sonoran Desert, that someone is far too often the surrounding wildlife. Amid water scarcity, a changing climate, and urban development, many livable zones for wildlife species have become fragmented or erased. And as such, landscape design projects that seek to create unity between people and animals have a special ability to address these issues. Over a semester, my landscape architecture cohort worked together to address the problem of urban habitat loss. Based upon the needs of community partners and our research, we conducted a site assessment of the Sierra Estates neighborhood, constructed bird habitats, and mapped spatial data in Tucson. Altogether, we proposed schematic designs which we organized into a comprehensive report detailing how the community and green infrastructure could be improved. Focusing on Burns Park, a 1-acre pocket park in the neighborhood, I found that the existing pattern of water flow during monsoon season could be used as a design keystone. A wash was flowing adjacent to the park, but it was also flooding the neighborhood streets. So in order to mitigate flooding and to repurpose the water, I proposed the following design solutions in the park. First, I propose a network of depressed green spaces to slowly infiltrate stormwater runoff. Second, an ephemeral water feature to attract bird species as well as nature-going Tucson residents. And finally, 3, a dry well to flush excess water and to recharge the well that was already present on site. Together, water flow was redesigned to enhance beauty, tree health, and bird habitat, supporting both the community experience and urban wildlife concurrently. One of the hopes of the design was to show that conscious water design can be a nexus between people and wildlife. And in order to combat habitat loss, these urban green spaces should prioritize equitable water utility. One example of a local organization living out this ethic is Mission Garden. Mission Garden's abundance of arid-adapted trees and its acequia canal both support a variety of plant and animal species, including the threatened Gila top minnow and a multitude of different bird species. Rather than choosing between agriculture and nature, Mission Garden sets a precedent for how we can prioritize both. So like the acequias at Mission Garden and my cohort schematic designs of Burns Park, our community can continue to create more suburban spaces that promote wildlife diversity through inclusive water design. And in the process, we can create beautiful parks for people too. Thank you.